Okay, so I'll be very brief, and I'll try and explain what are AI agents, how they operate, and why do you need them for your business. So, as you can see here, ex- the description, it says like smart digital assistants that can think, learn, and take decisions to help complete tasks like automatically. So I usually call them your digital employees because they like your employees, but that works like 24/7. They do not rest. You don't even need more money to hire them, and also they are very accurate, and they don't do like a lot of mistakes. In fact, they don't do mistakes like human beings. Okay, so here we have the architecture of your AI agent. So this is like the flow, the workflow of your AI agent. This is how it works, exactly like this. So we have your agent, and then we have you here. So you prompt, think of it like your, okay, it's a chat gpt. So what you do, you go to that search bar or whatever you call it at the bottom there, and then what you do is you write whatever you want to write, and then you send the message, and then ChatGPT decides on um okay, based on like the information or based on the prompts. So it will like decide on how the response will be structured, and which part of whatever information that is available online that response deserves, so they won't like take the entire because OpenAI is connected to all kind of information that is available online, so they won't take everything based on your prompt. um they will respond, in fact, based on your prompt. So that is how AI agents are. So AI agent here is connected to your LLM. It's called your large language model, and your large language model is your open AI. It can be your DeepSeek. You can connect it to your DeepSeek. You can connect it to your ChatGPT, but most of the time we connect it to ChatGPT. So what happens here is you send that message to your agent. Your agent is connected to your OpenAI, and then your OpenAI will plan on how to structure the message, and also will reason based on that prompts, and then it will come back with the response to your agent. If there's something that needs to be done here, maybe let's say you need to update in like something in your tools, or you want to send emails, you want to store data, or whatever you want to do with the tools that you connected here. So it will decide that this LLM will decide, and then the agent will go here to these tools and then do whatever needs to be done, and then go back, and then it's done. And then this is memory, and then memory, like it helps to for this agent to remember what you guys spoke about, maybe like the last 5 messages. It will remember. So this is just the basic workflow of your agent. It can be complicated based on what you want to do, or what you want to use it for, but it's very flexible for all kind of industries. So you write a prompt, it goes to your agent, and then it goes to your large language model, your open AI, and then it reasons, and then it plans on how to give you that answer or whatever, and then it goes to the tools. So the tools can be, you can connect your Gmails, you can connect other apps, you can connect your Google Sheets here, you can connect like a whole lot of things. So when you're connecting all these things here, there's something called API. So API is like a waiter when you go to the restaurant. So waiter doesn't go to the kitchen and cook for you. And then also it like what they do is like they take your order, and then they go to the kitchen, which is your the server in this instance. So they take whatever information you need. If you have to post, they will go to that server that is for posting. And then if you want to extract information, they will go to a different server, and then they will come back from that server and then give you whatever information you need from that. So that is how you connect other apps with your AI agent. So you can, that is how you connect your Google, like your Google, your Gmail, sorry. That is how you can connect your Gmail. You can also connect other apps like your WhatsApp, and then also you also use API. But we will do that when we you will see that when we creating like, or when we're making more AI agents. And then I did mention about the memory that we also have something called buffer memory, where your AI agent remembers like what you guys spoke about, maybe the last 5 messages. So this is the basic workflow of your AI agent. So you prompt, and then it goes to OpenAI, reason, plans, go back, go to tools, do amendments, and then go back, and then they give you back the response. So if you're telling the OpenAI, I mean the AI agent, that please send an email to this person, it will go to OpenAI, and then this OpenAI will tell the agent that this is how you're supposed to structure an email, because this agent doesn't know how to structure an email. So OpenAI will help this agent um, to structure the email, and give also the body what to write, how to write. And then when the email is like ready, they send it to that person, and then you get the response, you as a as a as the person who sent a prompt. And then you get the response saying, okay, we did send an email to so and so, maybe like telling this person about whatever you like said to this agent. And so here we have your AI automation and your traditional automation. So how are they different? This is your traditional automation. So with the traditional automation, it's those chatbots you'll see in like many of like online stores or websites, where you just write, or you just put a text there, and then based on the condition, because it is designed to follow yes, this part, so follow yes or no. And then if it's yes, based on what you wrote, it will take action following this path. And then if it's a no, it will take this path, and if it's a yes, it will take this path. There's always like one action depending on if it's yes or no. So this is like the basic traditional automation. And then we have your AI agent. So this is AI automation. So what happens? Yeah, you send your instructions. Let's say maybe you want to ask about you want to ask about a certain product in an online store. So you ask what this thing will do. It will think, and then it will act on your behalf, and then it gives you it will give you the results. So what will happen is, based on your prompt, or based on whatever you wrote in this chatbot or this AI agent, that is like sometimes you just put it at the corner of your website. So you write whatever, or you ask whatever question. It is connected to OpenAI, and then it will take that question, and then the OpenAI is connected to your website. So if you want to ask about trading hours, maybe your trading hours are not there, but this agent, because you feed this agent with your business information, so it will know everything about your business. So it will go to that information that is not on the website. It will go to that information and check for whatever, and then go to OpenAI and structure the response. And then after structuring the response, and then you get the results. So you don't always get the same results. It depends on what you ask and how you ask it. So we have like different opportunities when it comes to AI, but um, for businesses, these are the most important gains when it comes to using AI in your business. So it is a scalability, number one, that is like so it means that your open I mean your AI agent, it will grow with your business. So there's no need to hire like more people, because it actually does all the repetitive work and like all those things, like in fact everything that a person can do, even 10 times better sometimes, because no mistakes, 24/7, always available, no sick days, and more efficient and reliable as well. So and then there's also adaptability. So it doesn't it's not for specific industries. Like so long you have a business, you can always use your AI. And then efficiency and cost saving. So it also saves like a lot of time, and you'll be more efficient. Also, when you running a business, you need to be professional. So AI helps you to be professional. Someone will send a text, it will respond like within 60 seconds, unlike a person who will take maybe like 45 minutes to respond to a text message or to a WhatsApp message that they received. And then it's very easy to build, so you don't need to know how to code, you don't need to know like all those complex things. You just need to know how to use the tools, and of which most of the tools I'll be using N8N, which is, you can also use your Zapier. I think the Zapier, and then there's another one, I forgot the name of it, but there's a whole lot of tools you can use. And then whether you like it or not, AI is the future. If you try and do it now, you're saving yourself from being left behind. And if you take your time, maybe you want to see how far this thing can go, you also, it's up to you. But we'll be building all these agents, starting from your personal assistant agent, an agent that can receive or that can read invoices and store data, updates, a whole lot of things. Like most of the time, if you are someone who's dealing with data and repetitive like tasks, like here, you need to and book meetings, you need to be more efficient and try to be flexible and be comfortable and be open to AI, because from now going onwards, this is the future. So basically, that's it about AI. And then also, we can use AI in real world, like in real life, like in marketing. With your marketing, you can um, do your automated follow-ups, so you don't have to go to Google, I mean to your Gmails, and check who tried to reach, in fact, who tried to text or who tried to say whatever. You don't have to go to your Gmails and check all that. So your AI agent will do this automatically, so long you built it correctly to do that function. It will do it 24/7. And then we have your onboarding. On your onboarding, it can collect information from your clients, and then also it can send personalized welcome emails, Um, you can use other apps that you can connect other apps here that will do all these things, store data, and then take that data, go to Gmail, and then from Gmail send emails to these people, personalized email and all that. And then with project management, what you can schedule meetings with AI tools. You can schedule meetings. um, you can also upload and update documents here, and then you can track your performance and progress with your project. So with your customer service, you can generate client reports, you can collect feedback, and you can do like a whole lot of things. So it's not limited to what I've mentioned. That there's a whole lot of things you can do with AI, but for now I just wanted to explain this and be brief and short. Yeah, that's it. Also, these are the tools amongst many that you can connect to your N8N. This is the tool that I use. So you can connect your Slack. I'm sure a lot of you know Slack, and then you can connect Zoom, connect Google Sheets, Gmail to send emails, ChatGPT. ChatGPT is your open AI large language model, the one we mentioned at the beginning, that it helps to structure and reason. So you can connect your Gmail, your Slack, your Stripe as well. Then you can connect your Zoom and the Google Sheets if you want to amend, or want to add, or you want to update some information. So it AI is just here to make things easier, much easier for us.